Hey guys, welcome to the new Red Freedom Transport chair. So let me show you how it works. This is the way it is collapsed. It does give you the option, there's a little handle, you can pick it up or just pick it up by the frame, okay? And you can pretty much leave it all assembled. There is an occasion that these legs come out. If they do come out, all you gotta do is just slide them back into place. They hook on 2 pins and stow. Okay, that was right there. Now to open up the chair, you're gonna grab your 2 handles and spread them apart like this, and then you're gonna come over here and push down right here. Now my chair is opened up. Okay, the pad comes with a strap, so you can hang this over while you're carrying the chair. When you're done, put the pad on, disconnect the little strap, and you go around these bars right here. Okay, and you snap it in the back. Now these handles are up, but if you got really tight area in the truck itself, there's 2 levers in the back here, and you can fold these down. This is just nothing more than storage. For the most part, you should be able to leave them up if you have a larger trunk. Okay, so now I have it opened. You ask for your mother, your lovely mother, sit in the chair. She sits in the chair. Then you're going to swing these legs or these footrests around like that. They lock into place, and you can flip these down so she can put her feet on there. Okay, I did adjust these so you won't have to bother adjusting them. Now, to push Mom, you're going to unlock the locks, pushing the levers forward, and then you can push her, like whatever. Just don't spin around too fast, she's going to get sick. Okay, now that you pushed her and it's done, before she gets out of the chair, make sure you lock both locks so the chair doesn't accidentally move while she's trying to get out. Okay? After she gets out of the chair, you can take and fold the levers down. Well, actually, before you do that, you're going to want to take the pad off. Unclip the pad. I just reclip it, hang it out over my neck, take my levers, put them down, take these and you flip both up. There's a little lever here you push, swing it around, or you pull the lever, swing it around, then snap them into place. There's 2 handles right here. Lift up on the handle. There you go, it's folded. Now you can put it in your trunk. There you go.